Okay. I'm gonna play the verse and the chorus for Do It. Um, After that, I'll show you guys my tabs so you guys can learn too. It's a pretty easy song. This is the verse. Okay, that's the verse, and this is the chorus. Okay, and that's the chorus. And here are my tabs. It's pretty easy to understand. Start off by holding the G chord, and this right here means the numbers mean the fret, and then the strings. I have 6 lines for 6 strings, and this is the 6th string, which is the top string closest to your body, your chest, and these are the strings that are closer to your legs. So here it says 3rd fret 6th string, and then 0 or the O is open, and then if the numbers are on top of each other like this, that means you gotta hit them together. So it says 3rd fret 1st string and then 3rd fret 2nd string, so you hit them together, and then it goes to D chord, and then you just hit these strings, and then for this you could either hammer onto the 3rd fret if you want to, or you could just hit the 2nd fret 1st string and 3rd fret 2nd string together. You could do either way. You can hammer it, you don't have to hammer it. And then yeah, these are this is the way it goes. G chord, E minor. E minor, you only have to hold the chord. You could just not hold anything, and just because it's all open strings, so it doesn't really matter. So these are the strings, and you guys can take a picture if you guys want and rewrite it if you guys want. But if you guys need help, you guys could always go back to watch how I played it, or you guys can always watch other people play. But this is how mostly all people play. The chorus, you just got, the only difference is that you gotta hold the A minor chord, which is pretty simple too. You could always Google search it. Then here's the ending of the chorus, and I made a mistake right here. It's supposed to be 2 opens on the 5th strings, and then that's it. And then the order of how they play it is intro, verse, chorus, verse, break, and then chorus, and then verse. Break means that you don't sing, but they play the verse. And yeah, these are the chords if you guys want it. Okay, and this was the intro, but I already taught you guys how to play it the other video. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys learned something.